Welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series on claiming the Solidarity Tax Credit in Quebec. In this walkthrough, we will guide you through the process of claiming this refundable tax credit. The Solidarity Tax Credit is a refundable tax credit for low and middle-income families. Since it is based on your situation on December 31st of the previous year, the amount of your credit for the period from July 2023 to June 2024 will be based on your situation on December 31st, 2022. To be eligible for this credit, you must file your income tax return and meet all the applicable requirements. To qualify, you need to be a resident of Quebec and either a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident, or a temporary resident who has lived in Canada for the last 18 months. Additionally, if you are under 18, certain conditions apply, such as having a spouse, being a parent living with a child, or being recognized as an emancipated minor by a competent authority. Let's now dive into claiming this credit using TaxTron's web platform. First, log into TaxTron's web platform. Navigate to the T1 Client section, open an existing client, and select New Return. Ensure that the province of return is set to Quebec and choose the appropriate tax year. Complete the Personal Information section accurately, including marital status, gender for Quebec province, and prescription drug insurance details, and click Next. Navigate to the Income section from the left navigation bar and respond to the question, Did you work in 2022? Proceed by selecting the tile labeled T4 and RL1. Fill in all the necessary details in the T4 slips, ensuring you provide all required entries. When prompted, confirm receipt of a Quebec Relève 1 for this employment income. Typically, if you worked in Quebec, you should receive this form. Once confirmed, you'll notice automatic data entries populating, with the only manual entry required in box E. Next, on the left navigation bar, select Provincial Credits and expand the Quebec Credit section. Click on Quebec Basic Credits. Here, ensure to indicate Yes when asked. Are you claiming the Solidarity Tax Credit? After clicking Next, you'll arrive at the Solidarity Tax Credit page. Select the Rent option if applicable to your situation for, Did you rent your home? Then, answer two crucial questions. Did you live alone, or with dependents under 18? And, is your principal residence address the same as your mailing address? Ensuring accurate responses to these queries is vital to qualify for this credit. Complete the housing number and report the total number of tenants before proceeding by clicking Next. Remember, to obtain the Solidarity Tax Credit, setting up direct deposit is essential if you haven't done so previously. To access the direct deposit form on TaxTron, navigate to the Deductions, expand the Other Tax Info section, and select Direct Deposit. Fill in the necessary details, including branch number, institution number, account number, name of financial institution, mailing address, and agree to the displayed question at the bottom. Then, click Next to proceed. To verify the amount of Solidarity Tax Credit you're eligible to receive, you can download the MRQ record-keeping file. Look for the Quebec Return Summary within the downloaded file, where you'll find details of the Solidarity Tax Credit indicated at the bottom left corner, specifying the amount you'll receive each quarter.